I guide you to do add yours on your Instagram story. For that, open your Instagram. So click on this little profile icon and go to story. Here, take any random photo and photo is taken. And here you can top find smiley sticker icon. So click on that. And here you can find add yours, the little camera beside that name, or otherwise you can find add yours. So in the search, click yeah, click and you can search for that add yours. So here you can find add yours. So it will people can see stories added to this sticker. So if you add yours, it will ask you to add a promote, and if you click on this dice, it will automatically gives you some ideas to flash. So Saturday vibes, recent photo you took, and current status, throwbacks. So like this, you can add any of that and click on done here, and you can change the font or styles, or you can add any of the music or effects. And like this, you can add yours on your story, and people can